Hi. All right, here is the promised video on on Genius Scan, since my computer is unhappy there. So just a quick view of this. So let me pull this up on where I have it. Okay, so Genius Scan is going to be an orange logo that looks like that. And once you have that up, then you will have a screen that looks like this, and the camera. So if you hit the camera icon, then you will get a camera screen. And I'm actually going to take pictures of the notes that we just took in class quickly. So I'm going to start where we started today. There we go. And then I will just take a picture of each of these things, and I can keep adding them into the same document, and it will change all of them into PDFs. So it looks like that, and you see how it says I have one so far, and then if I was done, I could hit the check mark. If not, I just keep going and taking pictures of the next few things. And that was where we ended. Okay, so now I'm done. I've got 12 pages of notes set up there, so I've got the little check mark, and I'm going to hit that and say, yep, I'm done. And so then it will look like this, and it gives you a chance to reorder them if you want. You can also name it up here. So I'm going to go through and name this, Math 40 notes from 125. 21. And then say done, just keep that. And then you've got the sharing icon there, the one the dot that splits into two dots. And I'm going to go there and go down. I usually send mine from my Gmail. If you don't have a Gmail, then you can use one of the other possibilities here. And then it will export it there, and then I email it to my NCC one. And then from there, I'm able to upload it to my computer, and I can post it in our class. So that is all you need to do, and then it takes up a lot less space because it's a PDF, and I can actually go in and make comments on it very easily, a little bit easier than if it's a JPEG. So I really do prefer a PDF if you can do that. Okay, thank you, and then I've got another video I want to share in a moment.